Excuse me, I need help. I lost my wallet.
Good afternoon. I'm Officer Martinez. When did you lose your wallet?
I think I lost it this morning around 10 a.m. Can you help me?
Of course. Let's fill out a report. What's your full name?
My name is Riley Thompson. Riley Thompson.
Thank you. How do you spell your last name?
Thompson. Thompson.
Perfect. What's your address?
I live at 425 Oak Street, apartment 3B.
What's your phone number? We'll call you if we find anything.
My phone number is 555-0123.
Great. What did your wallet look like? Can you describe it?
It's a black leather wallet. It's small and has a silver zipper.
What was inside of the wallet? Any important documents?
Yes, my driver's license, credit cards, and about $50 in cash.
How much money exactly? We need the exact amount for the report.
Exactly $53. 2 20s, 1 10, and 3 1s.
Thank you. Where do you think you lost it? What places did you visit today?
First, I went to the coffee shop on Main Street. Then I went to the bank.
What time did you go to the coffee shop?
Around 9:30 a.m., I bought coffee and a sandwich there.
What about the bank? What time were you there?
At 10:15 a.m., I used the ATM machine outside.
Did you check with both places? Maybe someone found it and turned it in.
Yes, I did. I called both places, but they said they didn't find anything.
I understand. Have you checked your car? Sometimes wallets fall between seats.
Yes, I looked everywhere in my car. I also checked my apartment.
What about your pockets? Did you check all your clothes from today?
I checked my jacket, pants, and even my bag. It's not there.
Okay. We'll file this report today. Here's your report number. BR2 025-0847.
What happens next? Will you investigate?
We'll contact the coffee shop and bank. If someone turns it in, we'll call you immediately.
How long does it usually take? When should I expect to hear something?
Usually within 3 to 5 business days. But I recommend canceling your credit cards today.
That's good advice. Should I get a new driver's license too?
Yes, you should. Go to the DMV office as soon as possible to get a replacement.
Where is the nearest DMV office? Do you know the address?
It's at 200 Pine Avenue. They're open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Perfect. What do I need to bring to get a new license?
You'll need 2 forms of ID, maybe your passport and a utility bill.
I have my passport at home. What about the utility bill?
Any bill with your name and address works. Electricity, gas, or phone bill.
Is there anything else I should do?
Keep this report number safe. You'll need it for insurance claims.
Thank you so much for your help, Officer Martinez. I really appreciate everything you've done.
You're welcome. Don't worry. We'll do our best to find it. Have a good day.
Excuse me, officer. I found a wallet near the bank this morning.
Perfect timing. Riley, please wait a moment. Ma'am, can you describe the wallet?
It's black leather with a silver zipper. I found it on the sidewalk near the ATM.
Oh my goodness, that sounds like my wallet.
Is this yours?
Yes, that's mine. Thank you so much. You're so kind to bring it here.
You're welcome. I always return things I find. I hope nothing is missing.
Let me check. Everything is here. My cards, my money, everything.
This is wonderful. Thank you for being such a good citizen.
It's no problem. I would want someone to do the same for me.
Can I give you a reward? You saved me so much trouble.
That's very sweet, but I don't need anything. Just be careful with your wallet.
I will. Thank you again.
Riley, you need to sign here to confirm you got your wallet back.
Of course. This turned out much better than I expected.
I'm happy everything worked out. Take care of yourself.
You too. Thank you both. And that wraps up another fun animation journey in Language Leap. If you enjoyed this video, remember to watch it a few times and practice with it throughout the week to keep your English skills at their best. The journey of language learning is full of adventure and joy, so embrace every moment and keep going with all your energy. And finally, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on future videos. I'd also love to hear from you. Share your thoughts about this video in the comments. And if you have ideas for future topics, let me know down below. Your feedback really helps shape the next lessons.